Derek's still sleeping, and the other people already went to work. LOL. So I'm just kind of hanging out. But his wife made these really good muffins, and they're delicious. So I'm gonna eat one of those. Probably gonna play some Switch while I wait for him to wake up. And I got some water, but yeah, waiting for Amazon to deliver the Switch for his bathroom. And his toilet is running, so I might have to fix his toilet. Is he awake? We're gonna find out. Alright guys, it is 12:12, about, what was that, 4 hours later. Derek's awake at past noon. Who does that? People without a job. Can't relate. Anyways, I just been playing Fortnite all morning. Just got my 100th crown win. I know, nerd. And then the Amazon package showed up with the wireless switches. The single pole switch wasn't going to come in, so we got the three-way, but hopefully it just works with one remote instead of two. And then here is the little power pack, or whatever you want to call it. So you got your diagram on the front, which is nice, the input in the middle, line and neutral, and then the outside is the switch leg to the light. Hopefully it doesn't need a special light bulb for the switch to work, but we can turn the power off and hook this up. We'll be good to go, and I'll keep you guys posted on the install on that, so see when that happens. All right, so ordered this without opening the box. First, open the box. It needs 2 wires. There's only 1 wire. This is like old school. There's no like power and switch leg. They're just doing a switch loop, I believe. So I'm assuming if I open up this light, then I can put it in between. So we're gonna try that. All right, so if my theory is correct, touching these 2 wires together, we're gonna do a continuity test. I got these wires up here disconnected, and I'm gonna take my meter, put it between there, and if it beeps, then I know that that is the same wire from that switch to this box. All right, so that was the wire that we were looking for. Actually, now I need to remember which black wire it was, but that was the wire. So now we can wire in the thingy, wire in this guy, assuming it'll fit in there. But we can test it out before we put the light back up, and then be good to go. So stand by. All right, Derek is going to turn on the breaker. I'm assuming the light will not turn on when he does that, because you have to press the light switch, but I went ahead and put the box in. I had to split this all up because the way it was wired. So I went ahead and went power to power, neutral to neutral. And then the light switch legs to the light switch legs, and the light neutrals to the light neutrals, if that makes sense. Okay, so find the switch. Which
do you need to connect these?
Nope. You feeling lucky? Suck it, baby. Let's go. Look at that shit. I am a god. JK.
That's sick. Bro,
that's nasty. Except that light doesn't work. That bulb doesn't work. Unless it's not in all the way, but we have telltale signs that it's gonna work. So.
Dude, that's so cool.
Let's go. All right, so switch the light bulbs. The light bulb was bad. Everything is good. Have to worry about getting that into the ceiling later. And then now we're just going to mount the switch on the wall with some drywall anchors, probably, unless we hit a stud. All right, Derek is going to cut the power. I'm gonna see if this will fit in that box. I don't like it. It's gonna be overfilled for sure. But now we have that disconnected wire, so that one is not a live wire, but still takes up volume in the box. But I'm gonna see if I can make it fit. Otherwise, we're gonna have to resort to other ways that I don't like. So let's get to it. Okay, so actually everything surprisingly fit in the box pretty much, but then we also have the extra room of the extra inch of the rim there with the insulation that compacts. So made it in the box. Everything's ready to turn back on. Derek's getting another light bulb, and then I think he was outside the house before I told him he could turn the power back on, but Right now the power is off, and then we will be good to go, and then I'll show you mounting the old switch here in a second. All right, so we got this mounted on the wall, assuming that was like a thin piece of plywood. So I just put the screws in instead of the anchors. Gonna snap this in now. Okay, I don't think I got it all the way. That needs to be covered, and then we'll just pop this guy in there with the switch, and then we'll be done. Stand by. All right, so this was upside down. Had to take it apart or take it off. That goes on the bottom, and now that will line up with the bottom piece. This little tab right there, it'll snap on, and now it's working. Put the switch in, Derek. I don't know how that, does it just sit there like magnetically? And there's your switch, baby. Boom. That's a happy homeowner. Another satisfied customer.
Yeah. Good stuff.
Hell yeah. Got those two on the switch leg. Boom.
For a sec.
Hell yeah.
Easy returns to the scene of the crime.
Which one of you guys dug this giant hole? Who did that?
Is that you, Maisie?
Oh, where's the hiding one? Baxter? Well, I already know he did because he's got dirt on his nose. Baxter, what's this? Baxter? He's gonna be drinking that water until it's gone. Baxter, what's this?
What is this, buddy?
What's that?
Did you do this, huh? Was this you, buddy?
Man, these dogs have no shame.
Was this you? Was that
Oh.
you, buddy?
Yep, he's sad now.
You apologizing to me now?
He's caught. He feels ashamed. Baxter. And it's all gone. The hole filled back in. So this is some of Derek's stuff that he makes. He does patio furniture. These are single chairs. There's a cushion, but single chairs or single seats, and then double love seat right here. And then he's got some tools out here. This is his workshop. So some of the stuff that he's working on a website. But if you guys live in the Idaho, Boise area, and you're looking for some wood patio furniture, drop a comment and I will get back to you and give you his information. And then all the stuff is sanded and stained, and it's waterproof, and you got recessed screws, so quality stuff. So give him a shout out. And then he's gonna work on some more stuff, work on the rest of these or some other stuff for a little bit. So but we already got the electrical part done today, so gonna work on this and then see where the rest of the day takes us. Oh my gosh, look at this guy. Oh my gosh. You know what time it is? It's update time. Going to the market to get some buns and some salad for dinner. And then, what are we gonna do? I don't know. We played some more games and then time to the market. Time to go to the market, so let's see what they got. Update, we got the buns. Right there, baby. That's all we needed. Got the hot dogs. Doing a salad. I haven't tried this flavor yet. I did get Derek hooked on the garlic pretzels, so sorry. That was his own choice though. He's gonna try these ones later and he'll probably get hooked on those as well, but hot dogs and salad. Alright guys, I think that's gonna do it for this video. I don't think there's gonna be that much more tonight except some video games. Dogs are just going crazy. So have a great night. See you guys tomorrow. God bless. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Quick scope. Oh, shit on. I'm holding this wall. Snipe him, snipe him, snipe him. Snipe, 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 snipe. That was the blinding. That was
so sick.
I sniped him. Dude,